Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we have a automatic smart car mount by ZeeHoo or ZeeHoo. This one features a lot of different specs and different things you can use with it. It has an automatic car mount, which you can mount it on the dashboard, the window, or the air vent. It has a Type-C cable, which is 3 feet, so that's very cool that it comes with the cable. And then it has smart touch buttons and LED indicator to open the smart clamping mount. And it comes with, this is right here, 2 ways to power supply it, the Type-C cable or the 2 batteries. Just going to open this. So it comes with user manual as well as a contacting card. It comes with this little piece of mount, and this looks like the charging cable and something else. I'm currently sick right now, so that's why my voice is really raspy. Oh, that's pretty good. It has a 90-degree angle. I might use this just to charge my phone or something, I don't know. But it's only 3 feet, which is good for a car, but and then you have the other 2 pieces right here. Move this to the side. So you have the other 2 pieces, which this one is the car mount, and it has the branding, ZeeHoo. And then you have some texture here so it won't fall, as well as a little texture ridge thingy here. And then right here, I believe, is the suction cup. Yep. Suction cup. And then I believe that this one is adjustable to 3 sizes to make it extend more. Here's where the batteries go. Oops. So it says automatic car mount, 2 AAA batteries. Not included, only the cable is. But we're gonna go ahead and use this cable and we're gonna test it out, because I have to go find my AAA batteries and I don't want to do that. So we'll just do this instead. And then there's like some warning for better support. They want you to use the AAA batteries. But here it is. You go ahead and plug it in. I'm not sure if there's any buttons I have to press. Hold on. 1 second. Alright, I figured it out. So this part in the bottom basically is the detector. And then when you release it, you press both sides. Hold up. There, you press both sides to release it. And then when you set the phone in, it adjusts to the size. And then once it's sitting in there, it'll be like this, and then you just press the sides. So it's right now it's sitting on there, and this right here is going to put gravity down. And you just hold the sides, and it'll automatically eject your phone. So that's very smart, very, very smart. We have different mounts here. We have the air vent mount, I believe. So this one just clamps into your air vent, and then you're able to use it, which is very cool because you can use it different ways. Or you can use this one right here for your dashboard, and you are able to unscrew this, and then you're able to do that. I accidentally pulled this part out. But yeah, you just don't do what I did. But you basically are able to adjust it to size, and then just put the clamp back on. Which is not even, there it is. There. And then it's able to be used like that. There it is. So yeah, it's pretty cool that they come with the suction cup as well as the air vent. I'm probably going to be using the air vent. It's more modern. That way it just looks like it's levitating. But it's very nice that they included both, so that way you have options. I will have another car mount in a few moments. I'm going to record that. And then you're going to be able to test out both of them and see which one you like more. If you buy one, I'll let you know which one is better. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment, of course, and subscribe. It'll help out my channel a lot. I'm currently sick, so hopefully you can get me to 450 subs. Thank you for watching.